AVERMEDIA Game Capture 2. It's Windows 7 32-bit. Got it here. Look, nothing but hassle. Look at all these screens set up. Lagging. Got 8GB of RAM in there. Look, it's lagging. Doesn't want to work properly. Look at that lag. As soon as you put the software. Maybe it don't like the computer. I've tried all different PCI slots. Look, it's in there. It's lit up. It's working as far as everything else is concerned. But other than that, it's just a state. Computer spec. Show you here. Windows 7 Professional. Service Pack 1. Everything else works fine. Look, 8GB of RAM. Intel quad core, 2.5 gig. Should just be working, man. All device manager, look, everything's showing up in device manager. Game and audio devices, it's all there. This for my live streaming setup. As you can see, I am tech savvy. I've got a lot of gear here. I do know what I'm doing. I bought this capture card, which works straight away, straight out of the box. And that's a USB one. And it was working flawlessly. So guys, the AVERMEDIA card was not what I expected it to be. Obviously it didn't work with my computer. I believe it's because it's 32-bit, I don't know. Windows 7 32-bit did not work very well. I had a gigabyte motherboard. Just a heads up, anyone out there thinking about buying it, you've got like a 32-bit machine or 32-bit Windows 7 setup, AVERMEDIA Gamer Capture 2 doesn't work very well. I have an AVERMEDIA Gamer Capture Live, the portable one, and that seems to work. But this new update, PCMI card, something was locking up my PC. Didn't want to work. There's the verdict. Till next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace.